Welcome back everyone to another Django-Oscar video. This time let's take a look on an alternative PayPal setup. It's totally optional. The goal is to separate the PayPal configurations into a dedicated file, but it will work either way. Personally, I prefer to keep things organized like this. So, just for you to know, it's one option that you can take. I'm going to move this window to my other screen. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. It's for my blog. You're super welcome to visit, and we'll open my text editor now. So first thing, in my site will create a file named paypal.py, and inside I will import from django.conf settings. Okay, good. Now I will add the installed apps only for PayPal, and we'll do it like this simply. So we add PayPal from here, and in settings you need to remove, or it will give you an error for double adding the same app. Now scrolling down a little bit to where we have the PayPal configurations. Before we do anything else, I'm going back to the email backend with the console, so I'm not constantly sending emails for every test. After we have this, we need to add the file that we have just created to the end of our settings.py. So PayPal, import everything. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to cut the PayPal configurations and save it already, and now paste it into paypal.py. We need to put settings in here, so be careful. If you did what I did, remember to put settings in there. Going to restart the server, and now to make sure that everything is working, I'm going to simulate an order. Add the card, check out now, ship to this address, pick up in store, and going to select PayPal, and everything should be going the same way. I'm using sandbox again. Finish order, and here we go. It's working. Now one final thing that I want to show you in the sequence of this video. Well, if you've noticed, the store has no name for PayPal. Let's try that again. So check out now, ship to this address, pick up in store, PayPal, and you will see in here cancel and go back to SDK3 token. Now we can change this name SDK3 token to the name of the store. There's a setting, and I'm going to add it already into paypal.py, named PayPal underscore brand underscore name, and in here you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna put it Jamie This is Silva. Now we can repeat just to make sure that everything is working like we want. And here you have it. Mine is in Portuguese, but it's the same thing. Alright, this is about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. It's totally optional again. For me, I prefer to keep things simple at settings.py. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks for all the support, and bye.